Good morning. It is August 28th, 2025. Just want to do an updated video on No Agenda 2 2023 Boston Whaler 38 Realm. Bought new in 2024. It's got exactly 100 hours. I'll show you the hour meter here in a second. This boat is super clean. It's got freezer plates, full cockpit AC, lower AC, obviously generator, full electronics, night vision, ceramic coated, custom window tint. It does have Starlink as well. Boat is super clean. I would challenge you to find a cleaner one actually. Boat runs awesome with quad 300s. Full electronics, of course, digital switching. The hours are exactly 100. Engine services were just done. So fresh engine services, vinyl, everything looks perfect. Not a flaw that I can find on the boat. It's the cabin. The strata glass enclosure's never been used, never been up. So nice boat. Please let me know if there's anything I can do, courtesy showing, whatever works best for you. I'm happy to help. Thanks.